Hey guys, this is Debra, aka Dee Charles here. I'm on this video tonight again because I wanted to talk with you all about 5 skills what we network marketers and affiliate marketers as well need in order for their business to be successful. But before I get to going into my content, I want to say thank you for stopping by my video today. And if you are someone who have never seen me on video before, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button so when I come on to do these videos, just like I am and sharing this information with you, you will not miss it. Okay, so tonight we're going to be talking about these 5 skills that marketers need. You, all of us come online to build a business, and we want to be successful in our business, but these 5 things are key when we first get started, because it involves us building our business, so with the people that comes to us. So the first one is we need to build our audience, meaning that we ought to go out and find the people that resonates with us, that we have a solution to their problem, and we go out and we help them with the problems that they have. And how we do that is that we got to go in, find groups and different things to ways to meet that audience. I mean, this could be online or offline, but tonight we're preferably talking about online, especially Facebook. We could do that through groups and different places online to build it. The second thing is, after you build your audience, you want to engage with your audience. You want to be able to find those people and talk with them, and not spit up everything about your business, but be an active listener. Listen to see what their pains are, the things that they enjoy doing. Just become a human being with them. Interacting with them and finding out more about them, and they have found out more about you, because you're building a trust factor. You're building a relationship with your audience, and you want them to feel that they can trust you with your words and your actions and stuff. And then you letting them see who you are, your demeanor and mannerism and all this that goes along with it. So that's the second one. The third, you want to communicate with them by by listening to them to see what is it that you can, that your service or product can do for them to help them along their way. And then you want to build you a tribe of people that would be each one of you can help each other and build a relationship. The fourth thing is you want to be able to sell to your audience. And the selling part is the easiest part, because I know for myself that there are people that I've been online with and that I resonated with, that once I got to know them and I trusted them and I liked them, the selling part was easy. The conversion would be easier with someone that know, like, and trust you. So that's where you're leading to when you're saying you're getting a target audience of people, and you're going to resonate with those people. You're going to continuously have a communication line open so that they can come to you and they can explain what the things that is bothering them. And we online not only just sell. We're on here to build relationship with people, be human with them, and let them know that we understand some of their struggles and the things that they have gone through. We have gone through those struggles as well. So when you get to the conversion part, that's the easiest part, because you done already built up a relationship. And then you want to do this over and over. You rinse and repeat. You got your strategy going, where you're going to be resonating with these people on a daily and consistent basis, and then the relationship will grow. So guys, this has been Debra Charles, the CEO of Social Media Marketing with Dee, where I help struggling online marketers, newbie marketers, affiliate marketers, and network marketers with how to get leads and sales through by leveraging their Facebook profile. And so in leveraging your Facebook profile, this is the 5 key elements that you need in order to get that started, building your audience and engaging with them and everything like that. So if you find value in this video, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can come back tomorrow and hear some more of my content. But and share this out with someone that might need to know these 5 skills. And I appreciate you for stopping by. And tomorrow will be another day on we'll be talking about some different avenues and things that will help you in your business. And thank you again, and talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.